For over 2 decades, Lone Star Analysis has provided decision intelligence and engineering solutions, empowering organizations to achieve decision superiority. Our solutions are designed with sophisticated analytics and evolved AI to create predictive and prescriptive software designed to enable smarter decisions faster when facing complex challenges. Lone Star's award-winning software MaxUp Leads, a MaxUp Readiness solution, provides holistic fleet inventory management solutions that analyze scheduled maintenance, capability upgrades, and operational utilization planning through the lifecycle of individual assets. It provides a defendable, scientific approach for improved confidence and reduced uncertainty for mission-critical decisions. The software, currently deployed across multiple military aviation commands, incorporates platform-specific data sources of record, established business rules, and hierarchical metrics. It delivers short and long-term predictions and prescriptions for increased aircraft availability, cost reduction, and improved maintenance cycle time. Systematic management of complex assets is critical in attaining optimal return on investment, minimizing periods of unavailability, and maximizing readiness. Highly informed decisions are essential to ensure asset supply meets required demand. Picture a lifecycle management solution that is designed to maximize asset availability while optimizing for maintenance and supply constraints. This includes facility capacity, material, labor, and funding availability. MaxUp Leads applies advanced analytics and deep domain knowledge to deliver data-driven approaches for managing assets across entire life cycles in a scenario-based software solution. It is designed to maximize asset availability, optimize resource allocations, and formulate individual asset maintenance and modification prescriptions. And it's configurable to forecast cost. MaxUp Leads embraces the inherent uncertainty of combining periodic calendar-based maintenance with utilization and condition-based maintenance. It empowers leaders by delivering rapid, what-if capability, enabling smart decisions through informed analysis to maximize the value of each dollar invested. Organizations have deployed MaxUp Leads to manage the lifecycle of assets in fleets of less than 50 to more than 1,000 aircraft, resulting in reduction of waste, streamlined maintenance, and maximized mission readiness. With MaxUp Leads, we use the innovative application of data aggregation and analysis techniques to empower leaders to make smart decisions that maximize readiness and return on investment in an ever-changing global landscape. The solution is agnostic and can be replicated to thousands of other production environments across the DoD and commercial sectors. To see a full demo of MaxUp Leads, email us at information@lone-star.com. To learn more about Lone Star Analysis Solutions, please visit our website at lone-star.com. We deliver decision superiority,